Tom here, and here's another episode of fall fishing. And I'm at my grandparents' house on the lake, and we just talked to my neighbor, and he said he was out here yesterday. He caught nothing, so we're gonna check it out, see what we can use. I'm gonna use a couple baits. I do have to say thank you to a subscriber. He told me what bait to use during the fall, so I'm gonna try it out today. So if you're listening, you know who you are, so I'll catch you in the next video if you want to come out. But let's get onto the water. Let's see what we can catch. Hopefully we catch something. Let's get going. Alright guys, I'm out here back at my grandparents' place for another edition of fall fishing. Water's about 60 degrees, pretty cold. I think it's gonna be dropping in the next couple days. And it's about 50 degrees out. So I got a Zoom Super Fluke on. See what we can make happen with this. I'm actually going to try something different first. I'm actually going to go to the one I always do. I'll leave this for the side. Leave this for after. Right now I'm using a dive bait. All the rain we've been having has been insane. I've never seen the water this deep. Got one. Oh, quick release. Relax. Hey. All right, dude, you're not good. Okay. Nice 1 pounder right here. Not too bad. Yo, Dad, got one. Later, buddy. All right, we're on the board. About a pounder? All right guys, I'm over in the spot with a lot of coverage. Already got one bite, but I missed the hook set. I actually never fished over here because I was never able to. Yep, there we go. Oh my God, a crappie went after it. No way. That is a huge crappie that I've caught. Holy, oh my God. All right, relax. Wow, the water is cold. I don't know how I did that one, but I got a crappie here, which is pretty interesting, but I got him. Later, buddy. And he's off. All right, guys, second fish of the day and second species of the fish. So we might have some luck over here. So it's a little tangled up though, but I gotta get this way. There we go. Let's keep it going. I don't know what we're gonna get, but. Oh, got a nice one. Gotta tighten up the drag. Oh yeah. Woo. All right, here we go. All right, guys, we found a good spot. Oh, nice largemouth with the Super Fluke. Already got him right in the lip. There we go. Put that down. Nice fish. Beautiful fish. That's the second one in a few minutes. So you guys, you want to know something really cool about this paddle? You can actually measure the fish up. So it's about 10 inches. Hey, little buddy. Not really not in the mood to get my scale out because that means I gotta stand up in the kayak and do other stuff. But all right, guys, third fish of the day within like a minute of each other. All right, guys, let's see what else is in here. Alright guys, I just put on a darker fluke to see what would happen because the water is pretty dark over here and I had no luck after those other two fish. So, and I needed to stretch my legs, so I sat on a dock that was nearby. It's actually really cool when it goes in the water. It's so nice, it's like glass right now. Alright, time to go back up the kayak. We're off. So quiet, it's like weird. Usually there's people all around fishing, everyone's talking, everyone's having like a bonfire. Now that winter's coming, it's like really depressing. Oh, had something on that. Alright guys, just changed locations and still using the Super Fluke, the white one this time. And I'm currently fishing behind me because my kayak is turning around, which is not very helpful. But now I'm gonna go toward the sun, see what there is there. Oh man. If anybody ever wonders if you can stand on a field and stream kayak, it really isn't that hard as long as you got some kind of balance. Is it the most stable? No. Do you have to watch out what you're doing? Yeah. Other than that, you'll catch fish standing up. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna try this little alcove over here. Had some luck over here in the past. I hear a lot of water and I don't know where it's coming from. So I'm gonna go adventure into the alcove and see what's, oh, wait. There's like a little river going into the water. Which is actually kind of cool. That is actually really cool. There's a little river coming down. Oh, it's the overflow from the mountain. Wow, that's kind of cool. Didn't even know that. Oh, there's something big right next to me. Just made a lot of ripples in the water. So I know what that means. Casting out. fish on. Ooh, nice one. Whoa! Oh my God. Look at that look at that rod bend. Oh my God. Ooh, nice one. Oh my God. He's a very nice one. Whew. Come here. Come here. Nice one. Woo, yeah. Barely hooked. Look at that one, guys. Oh my God. Let's see, how long is this one? So put it toward here. So, yeah, look at the paddle, bud. Judging by it, he's probably over 13. Look at that one, guys. Woo. Beautiful fish. Let's get this guy back in the water. And he's off. Later, buddy. Woo. On the zoom zoom. All right, well over 13. Probably about a 3-pounder. Very nice. He's pulling drag on that. I had to tighten that too. If you guys heard that in the video, that was insane. All right, let's say we do that one more time and then get out of here because it's starting to get really, really late. All right. All right, guys, that is the end of the video. Thank you for watching the video as well. And my legs are killing me from kneeling on the kayak for so long, but I'm back here on land, so I'm grateful. I almost fell off the kayak when I first hit land, but not too bad. So we didn't do too bad today. We used the Zoom Super Fluke a lot. We caught 3 fish on that, I believe, yeah. I have to go back at the camera, but I think we caught 3 fish. And then we caught 1 on the dive bait, which is probably the first one we caught. But thank you for watching the videos. Like, comment, and subscribe if you did not subscribe already. Please, any subscriber is greatly appreciated at this time, especially when I'm out here in 50-degree weather, freezing on the water. But it wasn't too bad today. The sun kind of warmed it up. But listen, subscribe, comment what you think. Tell me any fall instances that you have had in a lake like this. Hit the bell icon at the top to be informed for any new videos that I post, and there'll be a couple more coming out. So stick around. Stay on top.
Say goodbye to the average life and hello to the bass fishing world. He put everything that he had on the line. Let's just say he was so for real. Some thought his overreaction to catching fish was kinda overkill. Breakdancing on the bow with the boat when the only dance that they'd known was Bill. Add that to the flat brim cap and the lack of the classic bass fishing accent, matched with the tats, but a flag in his back at the classic. Caught flack from fanatics, had in a marriage, collapsed to the madness. Cap with a pattern of bad days of practice. Yeah, what you had was an angler hanging by 2-pound test, a hair away from snapping. Come on.